YouTube. It's a beautiful ass morning. And the moon is out. That's even more beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. You know, I'm gonna go the highway route this morning. Chilly this morning, but that's okay. Oh my god, it's I can already tell it's gonna be a good fucking day. Anyway, let's get into today's topic of the video. While I ride to work. But yeah, anyways, enough talking. Let me get to the video. Today I wanted to make a video on like how you can start motovlogging. What you need. Basically, it's just what you need. That's all you need. And it's very simple to do, really. Go buy you a GoPro. I suggest 9 and above. They have the best resolutions, everything like that. Obviously the newer ones have even more, well not even really even more, but even, I don't know what I'm trying to say, more upgraded. Is that what I'm looking for? I'll turn my music down a little bit. I guess that's what I'm trying to think. It has upgraded settings, basically. I don't know all the the exact details and specs. I'll put them on the screen. Basically 9 and above is going to be your best bet. Then you need a mic, a lav mic. With the 9 above, I believe you have to have a media mod in order to do the mic. Could be wrong on that. You could do it with the other little mic adapter. I just don't think it's as good. But I 100% recommend media mod if you go GoPro or any action camera you want. You know, the mic I personally use is a Rode mic, Rode lav mic. People out there like to use Purple Panda. Just keep in mind, if you use Purple Panda, you are gonna need a what you call it? What am I trying to think of? You are going to need a mic adapter. I don't know why I couldn't do that. Yeah, you're going to need a mic adapter because whenever you plug it into the GoPro, you'll see without the adapter, it does not work. And that's because they only have, I think Pro Panda has, woo! I don't know what that was, I'm sorry. But the Purple Panda mic has 3 rings on it, like where the little plug-in goes, the aux cord, or the 3.5mm jack goes. It's going to have 3 rings on it instead of 2. Can't remember the exact term for them or anything like that, but in order to use it, you have to have a mic with 2, not 3. I learned that out the hard way. So I wanted to share that information for you. And I may get a lot of questions, you know, what is your exact setup? So this is my motovlogging setup. To pair with the media mod and GoPro, I suggest getting ND filters. You can buy a pack of them on Amazon pretty cheap. Or if you want to go and get like the crazy expensive ones, whichever version you want to do, up to you. I don't personally know. I went with Amazon. They work great. They literally all work the same. And of course, you're just paying for brand and I guess maybe reliableness if they drop or stuff like that, which is okay. Now, is the ND filters needed? No. Does it make your quality and everything look a lot better? Yes. 100% yes. That's why... Hold on. hell was a cut back there? I'm fucked. I 100% am fucked. No way that man does not pull me over. But yeah, anyway. Hopefully I don't get pulled over in the middle of talking to y'all about this, but after you get that, oh my god, dude. Pops are going crazy this morning. Anyways, back to the video. I'm sorry, I get getting fucking distracted. But yeah, after you get that, you're pretty much set on everything you need. Now it's time to go out and record and, you know, have a good old time. I need to get over I didn't ask for you, Siri. You know what I mean? Like stuff like that. Right now I'm rocking the Indy 32 only because my 16 broke in the wreck that I had, and I just have not ordered new ones yet. I've been investing some money into my Twitch stream. So if you want to go over, head over to Twitch, check me out. Feel free. Be greatly appreciated. But yeah, right now I'm rocking Indy 32. What I recommend doing is on a very bright day, Indy 32. If it's like gloomy and dark a little bit like this, if it's dark and gloomy like this, run an Indy 16. I just do not have one right now. Which does suck. Oh, this is a good song. But the rest of this video, I'm gonna make it a pure sound. So I love you all. See you on the next video. It may be a pure sound, may not be, who knows. And there's a cop up there, so don't expect me to go fast as much as I would love to. Bye.